What's up guys, happy Saturday. So I finished the wrap on the headers on my Z06. I took it for a ride with some very interesting results. So let's head out to the garage and show you what I found. All right, so both sides are wrapped up now. It's still on jacks, obviously. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks underneath. All things considered, not too bad for doing this while it being on the car. So this side you already saw. You can kind of see it up there. You can get a better view from down here. And then driver's side. This side had more room, but I found it to be more challenging to wrap the pipes. Everything is wrapped best I could from being down here. I had to cut that tie right there. But yeah, I'm ready to get it down off jacks and we'll take it for a ride. This will be my first time too, seeing if it worked. So be back in a minute. And also, once you do headers, if you're not aware, the wrap's gonna smoke for about 10 minutes, just FYI. I just pulled it out of the garage and it smoked pretty good. I looked into it and it's absolutely normal, so don't be freaked out by that. Let's go for a ride. All right, the smell of it is very interesting. It smells like when you're at the dentist and they're grinding your teeth. That smell of like dead tooth. I don't know how to describe it. That's what it smells like. It's kind of nauseating. So it's always hard going from a Mini to driving this thing. This thing's so much more aggressive. So far I don't hear anything, but it's around 2,000 RPM is when I can hear it. I'll get the windows up here in a second. Yeah, that smell is really strong. Holy shit. So let's be ready for that if you do this. All right, the real test is gonna be with the windows up. So let's do that. So here we go, guys. I'm finding out with you guys. All right here is a sweet spot. I can still hear it, but I would say it's about 40% of what it was. Yeah, it's almost to the point that if I got the car like this, I probably never would have noticed it. So far, I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna flip it around real quick and just make sure it wasn't a fluke. I forget when I wear this thing, people look at me like I'm fucking stupid. You can kind of see the smoke, see it? I don't know if you can see it on camera. People probably think I got a blown radiator. Yeah, it definitely feels a lot quieter at idle too. Might be a placebo effect, I don't know yet. Yeah, you can see the smoke now, see it? It's funny. Yeah, like I said, the windows down before, you could barely hear it. The windows up, it was so deafening at 2,000 RPM. Not deafening, but totally pissed me off. I found like the longest light possible on this route. So the sweet spot's like, I'm gonna get it right at 1900. Right here is when it was really bad, and it is very faint. I can still hear it, but it's a third of what it was. So I think that's a win, guys. I'm pretty happy about that. And I think there's even some things you can get some header sleeves, put over top the header wrap, and that would probably totally silence the entire valve train. But yeah, I think that was a win. 3.5 hours of work, $100 worth of wrap, and your header tick is definitely mitigated. So I hope you guys found this informative. I'm happy I did it. I don't sound like a sewing machine. Do I recommend it? I do. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Quick little video. Oh, a little POV too, so you can see my setup a little better. Oh, and the seats are still really cool. I'll do an update on the seats in probably a month. So, all right, guys. And also, if you guys like my Mini Cooper content, I got some more stuff coming tonight on that too. So, all right, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Later.